Kami lang lumabas sa aircon. Here at ano lang. Room tour, guys. So, loko. Si Anaya. Kami guys, kasi natatakot na kami. Wow! Naya, Aba.
Smile! Pose, 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 pose. Pose. Dito.
Ayaw nila lumabas sa aircon. You go with Tita Aba.
Other side.
Here at ano lang. Ang init, grabe, super. Ayan yung view ko. Sobrang init. Here they have day beds, guys. Init.
Wala pa sila. Ang lagkit mo.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a girl now. Yeah, it's not about me, I remember days on
Hi, Aba. Yeah, go swim.
missing the old days. It's simple now. There are memories. Honestly, I can't believe 2,000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? Numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by.
Naya?
Can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my DS. Don't worry if no one comes next. Just wanna be childish. I'm still learning how to live as an adult.
Room tour, guys. So, ayan, may apat siyang bed. And then, here's the CR. Ayun. So, ayan, super luwag niya. Dalawa lang kami ni Katkat. Tapos si Anaya. Super biglaan lang nito. Dapat day tour lang to. Nag-check-in na kami ng... Yes? Good morning, guys. So, we're going to have breakfast. Good morning! Naya! You want to swim, Anaya? Why? It's hot. Look, oh, it's very hot. Hot? It's hot pa, Naya. It's hot. Feet check. So today, this is my feet. Tatambay lang ako sa pool. At mag-e-edit, guys. I need to work. Bye. So, pupunta na akong poolside, guys. Yummy?
Fit mo.
Good? Naya, hi!
The clouds covered in gray. The coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom.
Hi!
Down at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause stay inside and step away inside all day. Today, just a little less mundane. Oh, stay inside. Step away inside all day. Today, no dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na.
Ayun o, nasa harap ko. Nagpapapicture.
Naturally, it's a magic in the world around
Ano ba yun? Yung alobo? Ha? Hindi? Ay, dropper yan.
It's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops that dance.
Let's go!
It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause stay inside all day.
Guys, 100 stairs to heaven.
Mundane, oh,
Guys, malapit na tayo, guys. Guys, ayun na sila. Naya, where are you kasama?
oh, dancing in
Guys, we're here at Akasha Resort. Say hi! Guys, it's so pretty here. We have a chocolate fruit. Yeah.
Just a little less Monday.
Yung picture.
Si Anaya. Guys, puro stairs dito. Parang stairway to heaven na. Goodness gracious. Guys, we're just chilling. Tapos nakakidlat-kidlat siya, guys. Nakidlat-kidlat na wala yung kidlat. Ay! Ayun o.
Copyright.
Ay! Nakakatakot, guys. Good morning, Naya. Guys, I have here my matcha. What's reason of here? Peace and love, love your home. So guys, I just played my hands here. Stagat. Wow! So pretty.
So liwanag. So bukas. Spray tayo. Mas bagay sa akin to ngayon.
Ayoko!
Guys, it's really freaking hot here. So hot here.
cafe ba to, guys? Kasi guys, ayun yung dinadaanan namin. Just for the coffee. Di namin alam kung tama ba yung tinuturo sa amin ni Waze.
We're gonna switch to sports mode. Hi, okay. Buti na lang. Naka-sports mode tayo, guys.
Guys, tama yung cafe. Mali ata tinuro sa amin ni Waze. Ayun siya. Bumalik na kami, guys, kasi natatakot na kami.
Look at that!
Look, guys, look. Kailangan slow ka lang.
Okay.
Look. Hindi siya makita sa camera kung gaano siya kalalim, pero super lalim niya. I mean, pag sa personal, mas makikita mo siya, pero sa camera, hindi siya mabigyan ng dyan. Baka mas mabit ka dyan, ha? At tumutuloy yung pawis namin sa sobrang init, guys.
Nag-drive ng thriller.
Di ba gusto mo mga gantong,
Pero hindi sa ganito
Challenging.
sasakyan, guys.
baka kasi hindi ito yung daan, guys. Si Waze kasi alam mo naman. Anyway, nakalabas na kami. Ito na yun. Pinasukan namin.